The objective of this video is to explain how to set up users in the back end of Paradigm. Users can be set up to use the Paradigm software by going to the site that is at paradigm.com and then going to admin panel. When you open the admin panel, you will get a screen where the office administrator, so that's usually your office manager or maybe the owner of the office, has a login to the system. Once they enter the system, there's two areas in the back end to set up users. If you click up users, you have an admin users and the general users. The admin users are the users that are allowed to go into the back end of Paradigm. So this is the back end where you can set up your packages, you can set up the cost of your frames, the patient on frame fee, whatever savings you're going to get. This is for the admin users. The general users are the users that are going to actually enter the front end portion of the system, and those are usually your opticians or maybe the doctors at the office. The front end portion of the system is where you have your avatars, where you'll actually make your quotations for your patients. So again, if you're in the back end of the system, let's go to the back end again, there is a admin and general. The admin users are the users that will be able to log into the back end, and they'll be able to create new users for the back end and the front end, and they'll also, most importantly, be able to set up the packages. We do not recommend that everybody in the office is set up as an admin user. Only the office manager or the doctor or owner should probably be set up as an admin user. Once you're there, you simply click add user and you enter the information, the name. The username is going to be an email address, a password, and then you just give them active role and then super admin or admin. The difference between the two, the super admin is going to be able to create all the users and do everything on the back end. The admin won't be able to create users, but they will be able to actually add benefits and add the package benefits to the back end, as well as the package lens options for each package that you have for your office. Now for general users, the general users are going to be the users, the opticians, the folks that sell frames for your office. You simply go into general users, click add new, and then you add the first name, last name, again their user email, password, and then you activate them. And that's simply it. All of the users on the general users list will be able to have a login to the front end of the system. Once they have a login, on their first cell they'll see their face pop up here, and they can actually go into my profile and they're allowed to change their password, their username, as well as the avatar that they want to show up. That is the overview of creating a user in Paradigm software.